This is Dr. B, and let's divide 14 by 25. We're going to use long division to do this. So 14 divided by 25, we're asking if we have 14, how many times does 25 go into 14? So we could write it like this as a fraction. So we take our 14 right here, and we want to know how many times will 25 go into 14. It doesn't go into 14, but we could call it 14.0 as long as we put a decimal point up here. Now, 5 times 25 is 125, and we subtract, we end up with 15. 25 won't go into 15. We put another 0 over here as long as we move over a place, bring that 0 down, and 25, 6 times 25, that's 150. Subtract, no remainder. So 25 goes into 14.56 times. Let's put a 0 up here just so we don't forget about the decimal point. And that's it. 14 divided by 25 is 0.56. If you took 0.56 times 25, you get 14. Jump over to my next video about long division. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.